What's up everyone, and welcome back to the print shop. Today we are going to finish all those hats, and I'm gonna go through the shirts that are right there. I'm gonna make sure that everything is fine, which it should be fine, and I should have made sure a long time ago of that, but I hadn't had time. So I'm gonna go through them right now, make sure that everything is fine, and we're probably gonna print them today. So let's get it. We're almost there on those. We just need this many more. And this one, I thought they were done, but I forgot that I had to add this little halo on the side of all of them, which we did. And so now they're actually done. So let's continue doing that. And it just stopped right now, so I gotta fix that. And I'm gonna start the shirts right now, hopefully, or I'm gonna burn the screen. Done with all these hats. I need 6 more. This one is getting done. I just burned the other screens, but I'm not gonna print them today because I'm really tired and really hungry. So this is it for today. We'll see you on the next one.